Demolition is a company that demolishes old buildings. They demolished the building in Oklahoma City that Timothy McVeigh was accused of blowing up. They were also hired to clean up the mess at the World Trade Center. They developed a special explosive and technique for using it for demolishing steel structures. They are so proud of this technology that they trademarked its abbreviation. Their British division describes the technology as follows. Our Drex systems segment steel components into pieces matching the lifting capacity of the available moving equipment. In other words, if your trucks can hold pieces of steel up to 24 feet in length, then this company will cause all steel assemblies to break into sections of 24 feet or less. Look at the rubble of the World Trade Center. Is it a coincidence that the entire steel framework of both towers broke into pieces no longer than the trucks that were hauling them away? Only a few of the thousands of pieces had to be cut with torches. Somehow, an off-center fire did exactly what controlled demolition does with their special trademark explosives. NASA and the U.S. Geological Survey created this thermal map of the temperature of the rubble. This map was created 5 days after the towers were attacked. Obviously, the rubble would be cooler after 5 days than it was on September 11th. Firefighters sprayed millions of gallons of water on the rubble during those 5 days, and it also rained. However, one location in the rubble of Building 7, with little fire, was above the melting point of aluminum, and so was one location in the rubble of the South Tower. Not surprisingly, smoke came out of the rubble for months. Peter Tully, president of one company hired to remove the debris, and Marc Loiseau, president of Controlled Demolition, told the American Free Press that steel had melted in the basements of both the towers and also Building 7. These incredible temperatures are evidence that explosives were used. Jet fuel cannot reach these temperatures. The explosives in the basements had to be powerful to break apart the massive steel beams. Explosives create very high temperatures, and the heat had nowhere to go since it was deep underground. According to the scientists who analyzed the seismic data, the North Tower collapsed in about 8 seconds. The collapse started at about the 94th floor near this woman. This means that 94 floors shattered at an average rate of about 10 floors per second. This means that the North Tower collapsed as fast as objects fall under gravity with no resistance. Explosives were shattering the tower slightly faster than the rubble was falling.